Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change a default browser in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to change the default browser on Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly, click on Start. Now click on Settings. After click on Apps. Now click on Default Apps. Scroll down Web Browser. So click at this drop box, and this is the list of apps: Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Vivaldi, etc. So as you like choice, Google Chrome, this my case, that is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to change the default browser in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.